Okay, hello people and welcome back to Project Helga, our 1984 BMW K100 cafe racer project. We started off ripping all the rear end off. We'll probably carry on with the muffler, get this front fairing off, front guard, and we'll have a look behind all this stuff. And yeah, let's continue. Cool. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so these here are being quite stubborn. I managed to get one undone, but the other one's no bueno. The old penetrating fluid works a treat, not on this one. So I think I'm going to take all the headers off as well, and then try and separate this out on the bench, where I can cut these bolts if I have to. This cover here, as you can see, that ain't coming off in a hurry. She's seen better days, but I'll be super careful undoing these stud bolts here. Super careful. I've just put some penetrating fluid on those as well. Alright, okay, so it's actually unscrewed the whole stud out of the engine. There's a couple doing that. We had 6 studs come out altogether and only 2 nuts came off. I probably could have wire brushed the end of them to make my life a bit easier, but hey, it is what it is. And this exhaust still doesn't want to drop down, so let's see if we can get it to come off. There she is. Hello, rusty glory. Okay, so I think while I can still easily move this bike, I'm going to swap this one and this one over. It's going to give me a little bit more room. See, and I've pretty much finished this one. I just need to build a little ramp. So yeah, might swap the two over while I can. Cool. can see the green on these collars. I'm not gonna get any Breaking Bad chemicals coming off this when I clean these. That's literally 5 minutes on that buffing wheel. It needs a lot more work. That buffing wheel's getting really worn out now. I need to get another one. Hopefully the shop's open soon. Okay, so I was going to remove the tank. Got a slight problem though. She's completely full of fuel, like full to the brim. So I've got my little fuel container. I've got to get some fuel hose, and I'm going to siphon this bad boy out. Cool. Now just looking in here, I've just never seen these little blue plastic things before, and also we're missing one of the vacuum ports there on that throttle body. We're missing a block off or a hose, I can't remember. Check my other bike. Yeah, it's got a block off, so there should be a little plug on there. Okay, pretty much got that emptied. Didn't spill too much. Just don't light a cigarette and we'll be okay, I reckon. Alright, let's look at getting that tank off. Oh. Man. Okay, this should just pull off. Very familiar. Okay people, I'm going to leave this video here. We're going to keep them short and sweet and regular, seeing that we're all in lockdown. So yeah, next video we'll get the bars off. We'll start ripping all out the wiring loom. We've been down that road once before. And then we'll get all the airbox radiator. We'll start cleaning. We've got lots to do. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we shall see you in the next one. Okay.